Hello, and here is my demonstration of my prototype using Figma. Here you will see the home page, Voices for Change, MMIWG. You'll see the logo here that should be recognizable. And the intro that says to spread awareness about the epidemic and causes of MMIWG through connection of valuable resources. Here the user will be introduced to upcoming and current news that will take people directly to that link and they can read more about this issue. They can click forward and find more upcoming news and articles that will take them to a reliable resource, or they can sign up and then they can sign in. Here is the larger logo, Voices for Change. Both of these logos will take you to the story about Voices for Change, and as well, it will take you to learn more about the issues. Here is a very brief understanding about missing murdered Indigenous women and girls. And from there, it'll take you to learn more. And you'll be directed to the resources page. And the resources page is also found on the menu. So if you click the menu, you'll see a box that looks just like these. And it'll say resources and other channels that you can go through as a user to find out more information. So here the user will be able to explore the resources and tools that will be able to educate them and advocate for change, and also standing in solidarity with the missing and murdered Indigenous women and girls. Here, these are external links that are signified by this icon with the arrow in a box, and you'll be able to see the logo and recognizable icons that you know you're going to the right page. So I'll click on the National Indigenous Women's Resource Center, and it'll take you directly to that page where you can find out more information and how you can gather resources. All right, so then we'll go to the menu where the user can find out more information in ways that they can learn about MMIWG. So you can advocate, and here you'll see the icons for Native Hope in each page and where these resources are coming from. And also, again, with the external link to tell the user that they're going to be going to an external source. These are also clickable links if you wanted to check those out. Okay, and if you want to click on the user icon, the user can view their profile and all of their saved information from the main menu. So the main menu doesn't have the bulletin board, or it doesn't have, about MMIWG, because you can easily access that through the main menu. Now, these sources, you click on that and it'll show you all the other icons that are saved in your profile. So this will also show you that these are external links. You click on that and it'll show you all of the links that the user has saved. Now, if the user sees something that, okay, maybe I don't live in Seattle anymore, you can click Edit Profile. You can edit all this information and click Update. You can even update your photo. And if you go to your news, you'll be able to see external links that will be updated with all the upcoming news about MMIWG and how you can stay up to date with that information. And if you go to the glossary, you'll find a way for people to look up key terms that are used in MMIWG verbiage. You click here. These are all clickable links as well. And here is a Native American glossary published in 2021. Not too recent, but still recent enough to where they're still relative today. This is clear. You don't have to go and find it. It's making the ease of user ability and user experience here that is important. It's important to give this information to people instead of having them to really spend that much time trying to find the information and learning about the subject. That's the key point of Voices for Change here. And on the board, if you click here, you can see what is the highlighted news by Voices for Change. These are all also external links. And here is Voices for Change. This will be signaled by the logo in any updates or notifications for users to know. If you more, drop down a menu where you can put in this information. I did have an arrow here to use, but if you click that, it'll take the user farther down to see more. So a user can sign in. If they forgot password, it'll send them a link. Here's a quick link to advocate if the user is like, hey, like I just want to learn more about the subject and how I can help. You can go to these links and it'll take you to the menu navigation for advocate. All right, and then once you go to resources, and then you go to about Voices for Change, about MMIW, it'll take you back and forth. So there's no way you're getting lost in this. So even when you go to your profile, it'll take you like, hey, like I want to learn more. Like I just need a refresher about what MMIWG is. This is what I can do. But yes, and I think that is about it. If there's anything else that you want to know, you can click on the menu boxes and learn more about the cause and ways that you can advocate for the issue. Thank you for watching.